So one of the main reasons why we spread brash, heather brash, over the bare peat is to protect it from the elements and also to stop frost heave. So peat's really full of water. What happens is when it freezes, the entire bog surface rises up, and then when it thaws, it creates these little peaks on the surface, as you can see. And what happens is when we get sunny weather, these peaks dry out and basically turn to dust. So you can see it just crumbles. It's just really fragile. It's not very good for anything. Whereas if you compare that to an area like this where we've airlifted heather brash in and spread it over the bare peat, you come down and pull this heather brash away, you can see the peat is still nice and damp, and it holds together really well, and actually it's still got quite a lot of water in it, and that's what the heather brash does. It protects the surface of the bare peat, and that allows the plants and the sphagnum and other moorland species to grow.